Okay, we are here. It is a week before our cruise, and I wanted to just show you guys what I'm taking on our cruise beyond what we take on a normal vacation, because we're gonna be out in the middle of the ocean, and my preparedness craziness inside my head wants to be prepared for every scenario and not have to rely on $17 Pepto-Bismol on the cruise ship. So obviously our meds are the same. I think I've talked about that before, but I wanted to show you what's the normal for our crew, or what we're bringing on our cruise ship. It's probably not normal. It's probably excessive. I probably watched 6 million YouTube videos. Do you think that's too many? Many. Anyway. So let me show you what we're bringing. First off, when you snorkel, they say that we need reef-friendly sunscreen. So we found this at Costco. I've used this brand before, it's fine. But you don't want to be hurting the fish with your nasty sunscreen while you're in the water. So different kinds of sunscreen than what we usually bring. This is a travel document bag. So it has our passports. This is our cruise ship, our excursion stuff, everyone else's passports. I can put my ID and stuff in this. While you're on the ship, it sounds like you don't really need a credit card, so this will probably stay in the safe. And I'll probably have a small wallet to bring on land. I also have a giant package of $1 bills from our bank. So I just went and got, I think 50. Really, like, let's go to the strip club, friends. But I heard that you want to tip a lot and you want to have a small dollar billage. So I got $50 in a few fives and a lot of ones just to tip people during the cruise. So I don't know, we'll see if that's important. I'll let you know. But I don't want to end up having to give somebody a 20 that only deserves a couple bucks. So, because heavens knows they're not going to have change when I need them to have it. All right. And I liked how I got this on Amazon. I liked how vibrant it was, because I think I'll be able to find it easily in my bag. I got a whiteboard because I've heard that the walls on our ship are magnetic, so we can put this up, we can put notes to each other, or people can go through the itinerary of the day and plan what they want to do. So this was at the dollar store, just $1. I got some Downy wrinkle release because you're gonna need to wear nicer looking clothes that have been packaged in our suitcase. We're driving, so we have a little bit extra room that some people might not have, but I've heard Downy wrinkle release really works, so I'm gonna try it this time. This was maybe $3 or $4 at Target, not too expensive, and it'll be worth it if I don't have to feel all wrinkly at the fancy dinners. I also got at the dollar store just vinyl wall clings to put on our cruise ship door. They are a little bit sticky, but not super sticky, so they say they're safe for walls. I think I might try and like take them off and get some of the tack off on my jeans or something and then put them on the door, just so that us or our kids can find our door as all the doors look alike. So these were at the dollar store. There's front and back, snorkel themed. I did get my husband and son some new, they have sandals, but I wasn't sure that we wanted to walk around in like flip-flops at the beach, so I got them some new swim shoes that would work when we're walking to our excursions. We have a little bit of a walk in order to get to them, and so I just thought that those would be nice. I'm actually not sure that they have sandals either. So these were around $15 on Amazon. I got some behind the ear anti-motion sickness patches. Who knows if we'll need those? No one in my family really gets motion sickness. I also got some C-bands, again on Amazon. All this is from Amazon. So again, we don't really have an issue with motion sickness, but just in case, I don't want to be left without it. I also got I'm a little nervous about sunscreen, clearly, so I got another tube of that at Target just to throw in our pool bag at the hotel. Not the hotel, the cruise ship. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't even know where I'm going. Okay, so surge protectors. You cannot bring a surge protector on the cruise ship. You have to bring a power strip. So I found these on Amazon. I think 2 of them were $6. I'm not sure we'll need both, but I kind of wanted to take both, and then if I hear somebody needs one, maybe I'll give them one, because at home I'd rather have a surge protector, but on the cruise ship, the only thing I could find was a 2-pack, so I bought them. I have this folds into a backpack, and they just say it's nice to have some extra bags that you can unfold, like when you're on an excursion or whatever. If you buy things, then you can hold them in that. I have a roll of duct tape from the dollar store. I don't know why. They've talked about how if your luggage breaks, they won't handle it for you, so you can duct tape your luggage closed. They just say it's super handy to have. So I grabbed a roll at the dollar store. I also have ginger shoes. I think we're all sensing that maybe I'm over prepared. From Trader Joe's, in case we get motion sick. I'll probably throw a few of those in our excursion bag. We do have tenders that take us off the boat, I think in Cabo. And so that's what I've heard most people get sick is when they use the tenders. So ginger chews. Do you think they're gonna work? I guess we'll find out. I got a pack of Kleenex because I don't know if they have Kleenex in the room. I know they have toilet paper, but just in case, a little package of Kleenex. I got Clorox wipes, just a little bag of them so we can wipe down the room maybe when we first get there. And then we can throw them away because there were only a few in the pack. These will not kill the norovirus. I know there is a kind that will kill the norovirus, but I guess I'm taking my chances. What do you guys think? I found this at the dollar store. It's just a laundry bag. We have a little hamper that we use at hotels, and so that will come in our suitcase already, but I thought we could empty it into this so that we could have all of our laundry kind of all together and out of the way. I have a big bag of clothespins, and so I just have some basic clothespins. I got these at the dollar store. I've gotten these at the dollar store before. These are actually always in our car bag or our camping bag. And then I got these that are supposedly, you could towel clip, but I've also heard that you want to use them when you're drying swimsuits in your stateroom. So, because I guess they have a pole line and you can hang them up with this and then they'll dry faster rather than just like slinging them over the line. So, bunch of clips. I have a couple things of sanitizing wipes just because I like to be clean. Again, not going to do norovirus, but it's better than nothing. I have a thing of Glide, and this is for chafing. So I sometimes get it in my thighs or my shoes, and so you can just use this. Let's see if we can pull it off. Just looks like deodorant. You can either use your finger and then spread some, like if you had chafing between your toes. So I've heard, never used it. Like if you're wearing flip-flops and you get chafing between your toes where the flopper goes in, you can use this and put it on there and it just kind of helps with chafing. I think it's like a silicone, so it just smooths everything out. I have a bag of hooks, got these on Amazon because I've heard our cruise ship walls are magnetic, so you can use these to hang lanyards or sweatshirts or small things on. And we got the kind that hold, like, I think these hold up to 5 pounds, so it's a jacket or something like that, so a good way to store things. We actually use these a lot around our house too, so I think they're super handy on our fridge or whatever. This, I'm not gonna unfold it, is a shoe over the, hopefully I'll get a picture and I'll insert it here. It's an over the door shoe hanger, and we can put lots of things like sunscreen in the pockets and our duct tape. I don't know. It has like 8 pockets, just a shoe hanger. And you'll have it in the bathroom because there isn't much counter space, so I can put toiletries or stuff or even shoes to get them off the floor in this thing. So I got it off Amazon. It was like under 10, so, and it looked pretty sturdy instead of the plastic kind that would just break. This is another bag that unfolds into another bag. Are you sensing maybe a little over preparation? These are like waist, and it's waterproof, so it's like a, you could wear this when we're snorkeling will be my plan. And there's a Ziploc, and then this thing has like, well, there's a Velcro, and then there's 3 Ziplocs that fold down, and then it Velcros over this. So you can also use this. They say you can film with your camera through this. I'm not sure that that's true, but I have a clear and an orange one that my husband and I can wear when we're snorkeling, so that we don't have to worry about like our valuables or whatever in our bag. We can keep them on us. See if those are helpful. They were not that expensive. We also have one of these that go over your neck that can hold your phone. I've heard that you can't use your case in with this though, so we'll see how helpful that is. And then my friend Katie mentioned that having some microfiber towels would be really helpful. These are just beach towel size. They're a good size. It doesn't say how big they are, but they were big enough to cover me. And instead of taking the cruise ship towels, which can be bulky, to snorkeling, we'll just take these and they'll easily fit in our small backpack. So these are some of the things that we're taking on our cruise. We'll see what is helpful and what isn't. Well, I'll probably have, right after this, a commentary on how much I overpacked and how embarrassed I am about all the things that I bought. But I'm guessing that a few of these things will really come in handy, and hopefully we will have such a good time. I'm super excited for our cruise. I'm super excited to unplug. We mostly are taking this cruise because I need to get off my phone. I need my family to get off their phone, but mostly I need to get off my phone because I'm always checking stats and emails, and I just need some time to enjoy my family and enjoy life. So that's why we're taking the cruise. Hopefully I'll tell you if any of this was helpful. See you later. Bye.